In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the cabin air filter on this Jeep Grand Cherokee L. This is going to be located behind the glove box. Let's get into it. We're going to open the glove box. On the side, you can see there's a string that comes down. Push that down, pop that out of the box itself. And up top, you're just gonna push up. This piece is in the way. So then you can pull the glove box out completely. You can see where the filter is, the filter door right there. Now take the door off for the filter. There's two tabs right here. You just wanna pinch those and grab the door and pull that out. Comes out, grab the filter, you can fold it a little bit, and it comes right out. Take the new cabin air filter, I'm going to slide it in place. Might have to bend it just slightly, just to get it to line up. There we go, and it goes in smooth. Take the cover. It's going to go in this way. Lock that down. Take the glove box. Get the base of the glove box lined up. Rock that up. Now you want to grab that string. I'm just going to use a screwdriver just to assist. Just a pocket screwdriver, and then you want to get this tab lined up in the hole, lock that in place, close the glove box, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.